Howdy folks, how y'all doing? Today I'll be taking care of the drive chain maintenance on my 02 Honda 600 F4i. The last time I cleaned this drive chain was maybe about 300 to 400 miles ago. Generally they recommend anywhere from 200 to 500 miles. So I'm definitely getting up into the upper limits. So today I'm going to be taking care of that so I can go ride later. A few things you'll need is a clean pan, maybe a bowl or something to catch all the excess grease. I just use a lid of an old container. Put that underneath the drive chain. You'll need your chain cleaner first, and then once you're done cleaning off your chain, you'll need your chain lube. And both of these are Honda products. I just went up to the Honda dealership and bought them. You also need a brush. Again, I purchased this from the Honda shop. It kind of looks like this, where it's got a three-sided kind of brush, allowing you to hit all angles of the chain. And a couple of towels to not only clean off the chain of the excess lube, to also protect any of the other components that you don't want to get grease on. So I first put the pan underneath where I suspect the oil is going to be dripping down, or the excess grease is going to be dripping down. I'll put this kind of where my kickstand is at, kind of protect that plastic piece there. I might set one up on my wheel just to protect the wheel well. And then I'll save the other third towel for wiping it down if I need to do so. So I'll go ahead and begin. As you can see, the chain all wet. Go ahead and spray that down. Use that excess towel, wipe off all that residue. And then if you're like me, I don't have a bike stand, so I just roll the bike backwards to get that chain moving to get a different part of the chain. As you can see, we got a new part of the chain that is not been cleaned yet. You can tell because it's a bit darker here. Just go ahead and reapply that towel first, then we'll reapply the chain cleaner.
Yeah, be finished. We got all that off.
Once your chain is all cleaned up, you want to grab your chain lube. Go ahead, apply it generously to the chain, right in between these little brackets. And use that towel to cover it up. That's my mistake. Apply it to both the inside and the outside or underside of the chain itself. Go ahead and wipe this excess off on the outside. I don't really need that stuff. Just needs to be in the center where the brackets are. Now we'll go ahead and just spin it around the garage just to make sure it's all lubricated properly. And then we'll wait some time and should be ready to ride. Alrighty, so that's how you take care of your drivetrain maintenance, cleaning, and lubrication. Thank you folks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.